This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tina Honey. Bring your boat or RV and move right into this beautifully updated, split plan, 3/2 home in desirable Rocky Point. A 2018 refinished open kitchen with an 8-foot island and dining area greets you as you enter the home. 2 bedrooms and a bath are to the right. The main bedroom with a walk-in closet is off the living room, which opens to a fully fenced backyard that is an entertainer's dream. It boasts a recently resurfaced pool and pool deck, a jungle gym, a fire pit, and a garden. A detached room that has been used as an artist's studio is off the patio, along with an additional storage room. The property also comes with access to a day dock. Rocky Point has 2 parks and is in close proximity to Port Salerno with several restaurants, bars, and unique shops. Sold as is with right to inspect. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Honey at 678-641-0281.